Matteo or Princess Sarah? You know? Okay, you better answer that. Sorry.
If the whole Cebu prays for it, hopefully, if the whole Cebu prays for it, if the prayers are effective, hopefully we'll have a dragon baby.
Sinulog kami yan. Sinulog na. Panata. Sige. Alright, and we have
drunk Cebu, mga jigin mo ha, palihog.
Yeah, there you go. And Sinulo, yes. And we have a few questions that have been forwarded to us from the crowd. A little bit too shy to get on the camera. But the question is, anong feeling na this is your first MMFF? Who would like to go first? Is this your first as well? Yeah, first MMFF.
This is actually my second MMFF. My first was Panday with Coco. But I really had a small role there. But this, I am supporting to Matteo. Right. And I'm so proud of it. I'm so happy. I really believe it will do well in MMFF. And to be honest, I'm nervous. Like, I'm nervous. We shot the film. I know what we did, but I'm also excited, like everyone here, to watch the film.
Right, to see everything come together. What about you, Matteo?
Again, I'm very, very nervous also because, again, it's my first MMFF, and it's a title role, bro. It's Penduko. It's not just it's a heavy role,
right?
You know, and I just want our kababayans to enjoy the movie, have a good time, and be inspired that they're Filipino, brother. And what Tita said, no, that I always carry the Cebuano title, and I will forever be doing this. I love Cebu. This is where I started. This is where I came from, and everything I do, I always bring the Cebuano name with me, bro. And I'm so proud also to see other Cebuanos just come up, you know, and represent the country, not just the country, but the world, bro. So I think that's what's very important. At the end of the day, representing where you're from Cebu, and of course the Filipino people. So that's most important. So I hope this film is one of many that really encapsulates the Filipino culture and inspires a lot of the youth to be proud to be Filipino.
All right, no added pressure from the titas of Cebu, though.